Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Calendly with AI for automated confirmations and reminders step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Calendly account. Navigate to the Integrations section in the main menu. Look for the AI automation tools available for Calendly. Select your preferred AI tool for confirmation and reminders. Follow the prompts to connect the AI tool to your Calendly account. Once connected, access the settings of the AI tool. Choose the option for automated confirmations. Input your desired confirmation message in the provided field. Set the time frame for when the confirmation should be sent. Now, find the section for automated reminders. Input your desired reminder message in that section. Determine when the reminders should be issued before the scheduled events. Review all settings to ensure accuracy and clarity. Save the changes to activate the AI automation features. Conduct a test by scheduling a mock event to check functionality. Make any necessary adjustments based on the test results. Finally, monitor the automated confirmations and reminders for effectiveness. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.